Hi guys, welcome back to Santosh Vlogs. In this video, I am going to give an update of my lovebirds chicks. If you are watching my videos for the first time, please subscribe to my channel using the red subscribe button. Okay, let's get into the video. Okay, see. Last video I showed you that this pair of birds laid eggs that never hatched, and again it laid another set of 6 eggs. Until now it didn't hatch. We'll wait for one more week and we'll throw it. Okay, now let me show you the next pair. This female bird laid eggs, 4 eggs for the first time, and in that 4, 2 eggs hatched, and after 10 days, the second chick died. I don't know why it died, but it died, and the first chick survived till now. Now I will show you that. Now it is exactly 35 days old. See, this is the chick. It's very nice and the color is also good. It is totally different from the parents' color. After it nests out, I'll show you the chick again. In this case, there's only the female bird and the male bird is here. This is here because the male and the female bird were fighting and the male bird got severe injuries, so we separated it. We didn't have a cage, so we kept it in a basket. After the small chick comes out of the pot, we'll put this male bird into the cage with the female bird again. Okay guys, comment down below how the chick is. Thank you for watching. If you like the video, please subscribe, like and share. Bye bye.